What's good, y'all? Leekautorepair. Hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. So I'm gonna make it real quick. If you catch me on a live stream that I just posted, you saw that I was just unboxing this 800-pound transmission jack that I got from Harbor Freights. Just video, just a little quick demonstration me using it. Someone left a comment saying that they bought 3Ds and they do creep down after a while. I guess it's up for me to experience it. Then you know that's why I got the protection plan. But only one way to find out, right? Is the experience. So this is a 14 Nissan Altima 2.5 engine, and just in the middle of removing the transmission. As you can see, I got everything all set up. Only thing that's tying me down is one 18mm bolt that's in the back of the transmission. I gotta get, once I get that bolt off, I'll be able to separate the transmission from the engine and then lower it down. So I might have to raise the car up some. I don't know until I try to maneuver this transmission out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this back bolt out, and just give me 1 second, and y'all can just see me using the trans jack, lowering the trans out of the car. I'm hoping you guys can see real good. I'm gonna take a pry bar. Hopefully I can get in between the crevice, and I'm just gonna separate the engine and transmission. I might not be able to. I might gotta sneak through the this whole access hole right here. So I was able to crack it free some. So now I'm gonna sneak in there and rest. These Nissans, the torque converter like to come out, well, like to stay on the engine side. It looks like that's exactly what's gonna be happening here. All of the Nissans, I never pulled out a Nissan, maybe one, but all of them, the torque converter stays on the engine. But that's cool because I got a torque converter cell from Nissan along with Nissan CVT. So I'm Gucci. So I'm trying to figure out what else is possibly holding me in. Don't really see much going on. Just got to free up these dowel pins. I'm going to go underneath and pry real quick. Hold on. As you can see, the torque converter stayed on the engine. Not only that, not a tremendous amount of fluid loss, but fluids being spilled everywhere from the torque converter. That's fine. So I don't think I had it on the plate right because it is all lopsided now, but it really don't matter. I just need the transmission just to come out, because when I install it, I'm gonna have it strapped down nice and good so it can just go in with no problem. So for the most part, I just needed it for the trans jack, just for going up and down and shit. So I'm gonna try to see if I could maneuver this thing out of here. I want to lower it. Give me 1 second. Now, when you're doing this, make sure you got a helper. Don't be like that guy Leek who just does everything on his own. Your life would be a whole lot harder. I wish I can have a helper. I pay for it and everything. I tried to pay for a helper before, but that didn't do too good because nobody don't want to work. They just don't want to work. Nobody wants to learn anything. It's a problem. One of the problems in America that we have, lack of education. Alright, so, alright, this is better. This is a hell of a lot better. I had to tilt this. So, we cool. We're not going nowhere. Now, it looks like I'm going to, I think I'm going to try to sneak this. I got to sneak this out somehow. So, I guess I'm going to raise this car up some more. So, give me a second. Alright, so it looks like I'm going to sneak it out from the driver's side. I took some of the inner splash shield thing out. Now, it just sucks that, I mean, I could try to lift the car higher, but it's gonna take it's gonna take me some time, and I don't feel like setting up for all of that. I'm already out, basically. So we get this connector shit off the way. Close this, all that shit. So I had to undo the bumper just on this side. My brother did replace this, so it was just easier coming off because they didn't put the proper shield in and stuff. So cool. Trying to pull this around. So yeah, took apart the inner guard and couple bolts for this, and move this out the way. Kind of like lifted it up like that and pull on this. So my thoughts on this transmission jack. I feel like it could be lower. I think it sit up higher. It does say low lift. Listen, it's not low enough for me. It's either I should have came up higher on a car, or I don't know. It's a pain in the ass. It wouldn't have been more of a pain if I had a helper or whatever. So as you can see too, the oil caught up all up in there. I guess this is for right. That's what that's for. This little rail to catch the oil that leaks down. So I was curious on why they put that there. Now I know. So I'm ready. I got the other transmission right behind me. You can't see it, so I'm ready to prep that up and a new torque converter seal in it. Check everything, make sure everything is good, and get that ready for installation because I'm trying to bang this out today. So I don't know if I like this transmission jack too much. I really don't. But next time I'll be sure to jack the car even higher, so I won't have a problem sneaking it out. Do the wheel well. The torque converter still on. I gotta get that torque converter off. I'm not gonna do it right now. So just wanna give y'all a little my thoughts on this transmission jack. So I don't know. I'm not sure if I like this. I'm just being honest with you. So I'll let y'all.